Another one. Oh, goodness gracious.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Jackson County in south central Michigan until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cement City, Oregon, 9 miles south of Vanderkook Lake, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brooklyn and Sunset Beach around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Napoleon and Norval around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Brown County in southwestern Ohio, northern Adams County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Pickaway County, northwestern Pike County in southwestern Ohio, Highland County in southwestern Ohio, Ross County in southwestern Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Holland to near Sardinia, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Hillsborough, Greenfield, Kingston, Marshall, Sardinia, Bainbridge, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Belfast, Rocky Fork Point, Highland Holiday, Cynthiana, North Folk Village, New Market, Good Hope, Frankfort, Emerald, Clarksburg, and Morristown.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to watch the dogs as well, so you can still hear it, but I'll put the camera right here.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County, northern Muskingum County, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Martin, or near Newark, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, West Lafayette, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Warsaw, Conesville, Gratiot, Plainfield, Otsego, Drake, Chile. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 143, in between mile markers 145 and 146.
Another warning.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County in southeastern Ohio until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Circleville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County, Hocking County, southeastern Pickaway County, northeastern Ross County, and southwestern Ohio until 9:45 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Hocking Hills State Park, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Logan, Nelsonville, Hocking Hills State Park, Hideaway Hills, Star, Laurelville, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Adelphi, Tarleton, Buena Vista in Hocking County, Jeffersonville, Islesboro, Hideaway Hills.